Good morning, my little buttercups. Okay, so this building is the old Stone Hotel, and it's recently been restored by a guy named Chris Chain, who's done a lot of work in town, and is busy helping restore buildings so that the downstairs are commercial spaces and the upstairs are beautiful apartments. And I'm going to tell you, they are just beautiful. Most of them are one-bedroom apartments. There might be one or two bedrooms up there, but they are beautiful wood floors and great views and just high ceilings and open spaces. But let's go over here and have a look inside at some of these spaces. Look at that. Look at that old beadboard. And I don't know if you can see, it's hard to see with the glare on the glass, but look, the old tin press ceilings are still there. And then look at this gorgeous staircase. Oh my goodness. And that, look at that. It's just beautiful. Now there is an elevator for moving furniture, of course, and for people who well, not as mobile maybe. Anyways, let's go look in some of these other windows. I could just see some beautiful shops in here. And this one doesn't have the pressed ceiling, but it does have the old poured concrete floor. Some of the tin ceilings were so damaged from, there'd been a fire, I think, in this building years ago. But look, there's more of those beautiful, and look at the original floors are down there, the old wood pine, I think, floors. Anyways, this building, y'all, I could see a nice office in here, or I could see a beautiful storefront, and there are the steps that lead out into the entryway in that middle hall. And there's that damn water truck again. And the interior of this one's interesting. It's got a little bit of an L shape, but there again, it has old wood floors, and then it has that pressed tin ceiling again. Oh my goodness, this could be a beautiful salon or spa space, or, wow, I could just think of a lot of things this could be. And this is the largest commercial space. Sorry about the flower guy. But look at all that room, that wood floor, windows on two sides, and again, the old pressed tin ceiling. Well, you're right across the street from the Princess Theater, which is now open once again, not as a theater, but as an art space, and across